And you would be surprised to know one of the biggest reason for this not losing weight, not able to lose weight, is this stress. First, the thing is you should be happy. You should be live fully. Only then there is point of gaining weight or losing weight. But I'm not saying, okay, not restricting life means you are having 3 cakes or too much donuts or 6-8 donuts in a day, okay, because we need not to restrict life. Hello friends, I'm Dr. Nagi. I am an Ayurvedic doctor and also I'm a classical Hatha Yoga teacher certified by Isha Foundation. Today we are going to talk about how we can lose weight naturally. I have seen people go through very harsh methods to lose weight, Some people say, oh no, I will take only juice diet, and for whole month they go for juice diet and they just restrict life that, only juice diet. And one thing is that to some extent they are able to lose weight, but it also creates some weakness in the body. So it is very, very important, like how you are approaching to this methodology of losing weight. That is very, very important. You shouldn't restrict yourself, okay? Because in your heart you're feeling like, I want to eat this, but you're saying no. So if you're just restricting yourself, when you are restricting yourself, what is happening? It creates a different kind of unpleasantness within you. It's a kind of stress. You can say tug of war that happens between heart and mind. So that in that condition, your mind and body feels stressed, and you would be surprised to know one of the biggest reason for this not losing weight, not able to lose weight, is this stress. This stress and this kind of depression and kind of unhappiness in your life, that also is the main cause of weight gain. That it would be very surprised, but yes, it's true. You would have seen most of the people who are having this weight issues, they have some problems with their personal life, some kind of unhappiness, some kind of lifelessness is there in their life. So for these people, need not to, I'm just putting some example, but that doesn't mean like they cannot be come out of this. It's simple techniques they need to do, some Ayurvedic methods and some yogic technologies they need to adopt in their life, and their life will transform completely. And I have seen many examples. There are many of our patients who just come out by using these very simple technologies and very simple change in their lifestyles, and that's too happily and joyfully. It's not like, oh no, there is I can't eat this, I can't eat it. No, just restricting life, not like this. Because what's the point of living if you are not living fully? That's where first the thing is you should be happy. You should be live fully. Only then there is point of gaining weight or losing weight. Otherwise, what's the point, right? So next question comes like, but I'm not saying, okay, not restricting life means you are having 3 cakes or too much donuts or 6-8 donuts in a day, okay, because we need not to restrict life. Not in this way, but definitely if you feel some time to eat like donut or a piece of cake or pastry, you shouldn't restrict. But yeah, you have do another things so that you can have a cake, have a pastry like this. So we will make some kind of plan about that.